Do our best when our destinations are beyond the measurement, when our reach continually exceeds our grasp, and when we have immortal finish lines. And when we do this, the race is never over. The journey has no port. The adventure never ends because we are always on the way.
Welcome back to C10804. We got a really small, quick upload. Just want to fill you guys in on the most recent modification, upgrade, whatever you want to call it. But I added something to the F150, and I think most of y'all are going to like it. Here it is. I'm not going to show you guys right away, but 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, there it is. Ooh, what do you guys think? I got me a toolbox. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys saw that and you're like, okay, it's dented and it's ugly and all that. Why would you put that on your nice, pretty, brand new truck? Okay, first off, it was free. Thank you, Brandon. Brandon's one of my good friends. He may or may not have been in the video. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so thank you to him. I got me a free toolbox, and I personally love it, okay? I was able to clear up so much space on the inside. Ignore the grass spreader and the grass seed, but I had all my tools in this, and of course, like sometimes they'd scatter out onto the floor, and had them in the other seat pocket and in the doors and all that. But now they are all in here, somewhat organized. It's terrific. Yes, in case you didn't know, I cut grass. Oh yeah, I have already kind of cleaned it up. I actually flex sealed the bottom part of it, not like the bottom, but the bottom face, just because it was, chipped up and all that good stuff. But, so I did that, and basically I just need to, I don't even think I'm going to buy another top for it. If anything, I'll just finish painting like the rest of the toolbox, because for free, I went and bought like $4 clamps. So realistically, I mean, it's a truck bed. It's a truck bed toolbox. Like, it's all going to look like a truck should look. And as you guys can kind of see, there's a bunch of scratches on the inside. And I use my truck bed like a truck bed is supposed to be used. Okay, no, I didn't get a spray and bed liner. Why? Because I'm cheap. But that is literally all I have for today's video. If you're wondering why I'm talking so fast, it's because I've had a lot of coffee, and everyone loves coffee, especially this guy. So I will see you guys next video. I am thinking the next video I'm going to do is I want to test, okay, because the old butt dyno, I feel like it was a little bit quicker, but the license plate right here, that's literally directly in front of the intercooler. And for those of you who don't know the intercooler, the more air and the cooler the air going into the engine is, the more ponies we get. And obviously more ponies are more fun, but along with that, it's better for towing. So if I can get that out of the way and have more horsepower, that's a win-win, really. Better towing, more fun, and even more efficiency. So that's 3 wins right there. I'm going to do a timed test, either from like 0 to 60 or from one point to another point. I don't know yet, but I'm going to do 3 tests with that on, 3 tests with it off. I'm going to do the exact same thing every single time, and basically I'm going to see if it is actually any quicker or not. And if it is, then I'm thinking about taking it off and putting it onto one of these. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of that. And yeah, so that's probably going to be hopefully like tomorrow's video, if I actually record tomorrow, but we'll see. See you guys next video. Please like, subscribe, and just be a boss.